Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to do sponsored ads on Instagram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open up Instagram. Then come to your profile page. Now, there are some things that you need to remember. Make sure that you have a creator or professional account. Then make sure you've uploaded a few specific posts. And also make sure that you have a profile picture. Now, you might not believe me, but if you don't have a profile picture uploaded, you will not be able to share posts or boost them. Let's say I want to do and sponsor a specific post, right? I'll just select a specific post here. So let's say I want to boost and run this ad on Instagram. First of all, just tap on the boost option, so when you tap on boost post, it will give you a couple of other information, such as to select a goal, so just select your goal and what you really want. Just select one option, and then tap on next. Then just select the target audience. You can leave this to automatic, or you can create your own targeting options by selecting the age, gender, and so on, or you can select a special ad category. Now you have to set your budget, so you can actually run this ad until you pause it, and you'll be charged this much dollars daily, or you can select the set duration for how long you want to run the ad. On a one day, how much you really want to spend, so if you choose an estimated reach for $4, you have an estimated reach of 2,000 to 5,300 people. Then if you just choose to spend $1 daily, then you can reach up to 500 to 1,300 people on Instagram. Then you can also set a duration at the bottom, then tap on next. The next step is to simply preview your ad and then add a payment method. So tap on the add payment method option here. If you have PayPal, you can add that. If you have a credit or debit card, you can select that. Now tap on next. Make sure to enter your card details, such as your name on the card, your card number, your month, your year, your CINIC, and then tap on save. After you've saved the payment method, just tap on next, and then just tap on the next option over here, and then you should be able to go ahead and successfully boost this post on Instagram. That's all it takes to do and run sponsored ads on Instagram. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.